What if I told you that the world's best chewy Rice Krispie treat all came down to the number 10?
Huh?
Seriously, the number 10. 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 10-ounce bags of mini marshmallows, and you guessed it, 10 cups of good old Rice Krispies. Let's get started with 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now, when you add your butter to your hot pan here, you're gonna save this paper because we're gonna use it to then grease our 13 by 9-inch pan. I got the butter melting here and I'm over medium-low heat. We're not going for a toasted butter Rice Krispie treat. This is a good old classic, chewy, soft, pullable Rice Krispie treat. So yes, you can toast to make brown butter, but we're just gonna keep it really classic. So once the butter's melted, I'm gonna add 2 10-ounce bags of marshmallows, but here's the most important part, mini mallows. Now, why mini mallows over a good old regular size? Purely speed. I like that they melt a lot faster than the big ones. So once this is melted, I'll add this whole bag. Then I'm gonna add the second bag here, reserving about 1/2 cup. There we go. Set those guys aside. And now it's the waiting game. We're just gonna stir, stir, and keep on stirring until we have a nice, smooth marshmallow mixture. Things I can get done while I'm waiting for marshmallows to melt. Low and slow is the way we win the melting marshmallow game. This is the consistency right here. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the heat off, add a big splash of vanilla extract, pinch of salt, and our 10 cups of cereal. Now we wanna work quickly here while the cereal and the hot marshmallows can work together to become one. The whole beauty of this recipe and why it took me so long to really perfect this is, it's all about the ratio. It's the perfect ratio of cereal to butter to marshmallows. You want them chewy and soft, but not so soft that they don't set. So it's like that perfect balance. So that's why testing this recipe, perfecting it over the years, has led to the world's greatest Rice Krispie treat recipe. Let's stir in that last 1/2 cup of marshmallows. Now we're just gonna transfer this into our greased pan. I'm gonna use the spatula, spread this out. Now here's the trick. A lot of people think you need to really push this down into the pan. We do not want to overcompress these. We just merely want to get it into the vague shape of the pan. So now let them sit for like an hour and then we'll cut them up. It's officially been the longest hour of my life. Let's get our Rice Krispie treats out onto the cutting board and then we can cut them into squares. Now, since we greased the pan, this should theoretically work. Let's see. You'll notice I have a serrated knife. We don't want to use a traditional knife with this because we don't want to use anything where we're pushing down into the treats and compacting them. Use a serrated knife so you're sawing through it rather than pushing down into it. Like this is what I want in a Rice Krispie treat. I want it falling apart, still keeps its shape, still can be sliced, but that right there, the ultimate. And remember the number, 10. Here, do your job while I do this. Here, Dustin, do your job. Okay, last time, here we go.
Here we go.
Okay.